Hello viewers, today we will be making rice cutlets. For this you will be needing pieces of onions and capsicum. And you will also be needing some masalas. Here I have taken red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And also I have taken cooked rice and smashed potatoes. For this I have taken 1.5 boiled potato. First of all, we will be taking 2.5 handful of cooked rice into the bowl. You can also blend the rice in a blender, but here I have taken direct cooked rice that was left last night. The best thing about rice cutlet is you can use leftover rice in this. And again I have mixed the boiled potatoes to it. Into the rice and potatoes, put the capsicum and onion pieces that I had shown you in the beginning of the video. You should also add the masalas that I had shown to it and try to make a dough of it. Smash it till it's smooth. I have mixed all the ingredients properly and try to give it a shape of a ball. Gently take the mixture between your palm and just press it to make round balls. All my cutlets are ready and our next step will be to fry them. To make the cutlets more crispier, we are going to dip it in flour made of flour and water and breadcrumbs. Let's do this. Now take a cutlet and dip it in the flour and water mixture. Then coat it gently in the breadcrumbs. In this way, we are ready with all the breadcrumbs coated cutlets. Next, we will be taking a non-stick pan and pouring refined oil over it and start frying our cutlets one by one. Our cutlets are ready to be served. Don't they look crispier and delicious? It's not ready to be served. My idea of having cutlet is little different. I like to have it as a sandwich between bread. So I'll make it a little flat and take it between bread and have it. It tastes heaven. So cutlet is ready for today's breakfast. So why are you waiting for? Give it a try and please tell me in the comments section below. My breakfast is sorted with rice cutlet, bread and chai. What about you?
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more such content.